Me there, Memfoaso.
Ogufo ni kosazi fo ntokwa ne yankun wie yo. Na asabe kun Nigeria fo ntokwa ndi yesra na onko ni krom.
Amo otu me ni nyansa. Amo nyansa ni nso ni timi. Ye hwe mu nso ya mpa.
Dabi o. Ye hia mo ha. Eja fo de ye mpa mo ha. Mo pene my mom was as bia wa ha. So mo ya yin ase be hye.
Me da Memfoaso mu.
Memfoaso.
Tanka oye bibima Africa, the whole Africa party okay. But spark na we Nigeria na ho chiro na we piem na we Nigeria for the nkwa de kai me pa de menin na dwen kra.
Mpuntu so unye no bi be ya, it doesn't matter. But my problem is onye no fa Ghanaians nka.
Say Ghana constitution mu say foreigner auto as Ghana from 50 years later nyodia.
I sank Ghana for involved they are fine. By say Nigeria for nkwa de so then obeje a property na Nigeria for nkwa eni modi eni ne nya adwe wo ho
on to beto asase wo ha emfa nye saa we no na musu amuka ho bi na ma e pa kunkun adoso Ghana ha no nti se me ka me kwa ka say mamo no chance mani nye de opese oye no.
For me it's not right for him to be building something for a country that is not your country.
Si e ma kwan ma Nigeria for no beji sana ye nya ho to o mai chese ase chese omuno basabasayo ntokwa niense niemfata yebema example Liberia camp
ana bia obehya kwa obeto asase nkwa ehu echese ekwatimpom obetim kura akunkum grofoma odon be spiritual ni ade ndi omuso de enyomu ni ndi yempom ha omuma ne nko wawale Ghanaian onfa ne nko ni kro onko boni bla ho
Papa no ombetwena so na mla kwan bia omde mbefa so no omfa ne emfa so
ye hia no akora onko no krom ko sini de
It only send okoni krom
onko no krom aho na asase no ye akra de kro ye de so ye kro ye hene kro mo fa ensase ne dada no
Nigeria for no any side before no more Ghana ya shawo pa Ghana ya shawo country Ghana a system working one ashawo system is working 24/7 etwenkwa omo ba so omo abo ashawo nso aboa ama CCR rape na twa ashawo Nigeria no
omo ba na ashawo na
aboa
say rape na
CCR odi say rape obi
meda for ma me na wase na me mo akwa ban famra Adepa TV so na no ye okrom ha ya nsama e trend o social media no so Ghana fa na nyina obi a trend serane abasa e okrom ha nya asem kito ne nyina efa Igbo kena oba okrom ha che ba de oba ha che ibu abe ware e okrom ha say wa ware Ghana ni e okrom ha ya na no video bi di akwane aba e wo social media no so se eye kin yi say wato asase eye 50 acres of land sisia no odi ba be si Igbo community e wo Ghana ha ne na Ghana for e se asemi de wo monte ase mo twene serane abasa ne senti na Adepa TV ye tieti abonten eneyi na ye ne amanfa akotwetwe nkomo abisa se aso ono na de ne sika e na se wato asase no e na wo say wo de asase no ebesi Igbo community a enka efa Ghana for ho ben anase Ghana for so adwenkyere be no modwen e de afa ho medafo midi e de akosi aboajewa Jonko tap send ebo ye chiridom ama ye de enenko motwitwi ya yekototo no abonten no e ba be sumidi ye china yenko
no why
nya no
asase bro ye asase branch ya ba be to asase ye be si ya de ye hia no akora onko no krom ko sini de
it only send okoni krom
onko no krom aho na asase no ye akra de kro ye de so ye kro ye hene kro mo fa ensase ne dada no no be to ye de onko
okay na osi schools na hospitals na you
osi school be Aba Nigeria nkosi why ye Nigeria for ni eyi bia the president nya wa do si ye de NCB no be president
ai ndoka ye ku Ghana ye yankun wie na esa be ku bia ka ho bogufo ni kosazi fo ntokwa na ye yankun wie yo na esa be ku Nigeria fo ntokwa ndi yesra na onko ni krom ndem wo ka no
ba so be ka sa ko mama
It's about the Igbo man now. What be more Nigeria ni no. I will see hospitals na. As I say onye Igbo community. Machi asase wa chichiri kuro e wo Ghana.
Oh, that he says a more chance it's not good. Because the Oko Nigeria crowd, who a Ghana and Ukraine Oko Nigeria crowd, almost a chance. It's the Ghana penny for say a more chance is too bad because who should say Ghana, almost say Ghana. Now most of the times almost say Ghana, no mama Ghana here because says Nigeria for no any side for no more Ghana ya shawupa Ghana ya shawu country. Ghana a system working one a shawu system is working 24/7 it is a must more musa chance now almost say a youth no because says okra 40 okra 50 no obenya tradi na first no unya sa de no it ya allow ma buy no allow ma ya more chance because some ba Boko Haram but because some no mu yes anya ma no nti wusu kan mesumi kan ye man kranfo hininu se waji omuska onfo muska momo na nye ska bia yedi udi ska bia hoto nim yempe 24/7 yempe system is work ye twenko yempe omo banso omo aboa asha onusu aboa ama CSA rape na twa asha Nigeria no
omo ba na asha wona
aboa
say rape na
CSA odi say rape obi omo aboa na enye omo say ye banso nti ye da mo ase
obi da kana say amo otu me ni nyansa amo nyansa ni nso ni timi ye hwe mu nso ya mpa ye mpenifo na tete ye so no bebre na mo nyansa bi se bi mo nyansa wo fom ade a me akwala mete ya menye no obi hu na peni a tu me hye ne nsa a wo so hwe mo man ne koso no na oye abana nsa ni etimi tena ama obi free ni kru mu e ba beto asase wa ha se oba bebe odi ni kru wo obi fufuro man so enya possible why na betimi free an makoto asase wo sa Igbo kingdom so no so kwakọ be Ghana kingdom wo ensi enti sa do de me de me mfaso recently mate say boys ni bia sorry akoni fie ese sa asase na so beto be create Igbo kingdom wo hande amom pene so enti ye mpenimfo na wo sa mutu o mo na ensi fom na make sure say am say business no be create they are fine because you say ye padwuma ye ye mpenimfo na mo create adwuma ma ye ya am make sure na foreigners na so create bi na ye nya bi ye enti me so kakra me kan fa on no enti kingdom no so be create one there me mfo aso
ano de ye support na esia no me de asedan so be ma Ghana fo na titru na me de ama enkranfo eni adanfo se asem ne ban no o ma sole agina na esia no ma henfo no so am ya ti ase se obi emeto asase bia ewo mu nsem a etisa disia no ye kase ye fire o ma na ye se fire o ma ye kwa nti da henfo no so ase na emum so ma ba be kan sa no momu fachiri enkonko e bibi sa na emum de mesense papa no on betwena so na mra kwan bia o mo de befa so no o mo mfa ne enfa so kakra metimi aka
so oba abontin be kan say wato sa 50 acres of land into mo nchena so
so mo twena so de ya ne say eno a ahemfo ni nhyiam die na o ye no o mo ya say enam saa ni ntino youth no maburu no akasa tia amre ko a enti saa enti no say aban no asotwe bia obia no o mo de ma no so wagu ahemfo no animu ase nti asotwe obia no o mo fe ma no
memfo aso ba yen ya ma ho kwan Ghana fo ye do awo chen hu ena yama NPP ni NDC se o man no identity mu aba ama o man se say odo nim enu nti se obeto se Ghana ni no ho kra edi nkomo a na ai se wo a wo ye Ghanaian no wa be yo tamfo enti se ne nkranfo na aka se omo de omo mpene e ma ne nye de o ye no me ne omo ya adwen 100% na emom Nigerians na say e more boundaries because they are becoming too much and me they say bet to me papa ono nko ade the man go back to Nigeria na case and die from there. Apart from that ebi wo ha they are doing pure business omo there they should allow them to stay but ono nipa tete sa ne there or the papa mu no how be bro man
ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo ma no kɔ instant sɛ sɛ ɔdi 1 week kora wa na asomdwe mmra ɔma no deɛ mɛtumi aka fa ho
okay medase so ne sɛ waware no Ghana ni
so Ghana ni dia na ɛwontumi mpam no outright na emom sɛ yɛ set boundaries man no deɛ mmra ɛyɛ adwuma deɛ a we are citizen kora you have to abide by the rules and deɛ
igwe ni nana igwe ni dia mengwa dia ngoma nko okay wawale Ghanaian onfa nko ni kro no onko boni bla ho enya Ghana na o ba twen chance na me ade ba go say one oba e wo president one hu no
oh I think on the president who do oba enyende oba Ghana che is 90s and by 1995 for say
is any aje
it's on the rolling scroll pictures on the atamis or picture on the kofo picture nanado oba ya che
say omo so agin so wa dia mani juma ende omo ni nko eza oto asase na aje be han ye njirimafo no ana ba bia wo be hye kwa obeto asase no kwa ehu eche say ekwatimpom obetimi gra akunkum grofo ma odon be spiritual ni ade ndi omo so de enyomu ni ndi ye mpom ha omko simple omko ye mpom asem ha omko
eye Igbo kini ya bepie mu Ghana ha se as say no wo se waton sase a obebie Igbo community no aso ofo aso
hey there be o ye hia mo ha eja for ye mpom ha mo pene my mom was a Sibia wa. So my yin as a beshe. But I be a member more. Oh, one year, papa. Oh, my mind say, what was ye basa? Mum, young boys almost say, dear, here more Ghana. Timo be a mom was I say. Many a quanka, ye young crowd half or more content them.
For see any party or hidden father.
I want ye hian wa so pa onko ni kuro no koye saade no wa enye Ghana ye hian wa
o man na ye wo mu no sie ma kwan ma Nigeria fo no beji sana ye nya hoto o man mu chese ase chese o mu no basa yo ntokwa ni ense ni emfata ye be ma example Liberia camp mo hwe ni o mo ye ehon o mu o ba bi ekum nipa nkasa eho sikadure ko twiba eho enehye chese adwe money ni nwoma money na hyehyom enti media menfo aso se ye be ma omo abaji okuro ya fa nyete be kakra kro mo be pam ye Ghana fo every Ghana ye into me ye mo chance na mo be ba pam ye bebrebe be koso enye nyina wo mo na di be ba mam wo be hwe ye nkro ye boys sikadro basabasa ni pekum basabasa ni na efruita Nigeria fo na masakawa nyoma basabasa ni na ba enti ye mpeneso me madwen kire dia me mpeneso enti wono
oh me for me need it's no need what I say because on say it's not that Ghanaian on ye Ghanaian ni. And I'm not sure so DS no what I say and see for that option I'm not sure.
Now never say when you're on free Ghana, right? But also maybe and wow, I didn't think I won't person so what I say.
Okay, fine. O person boy a man and there so bet my bar say be person boy man, but it's not this so better so person open to me before answer our boy man no. So what I say, there's no need.
Okay. But on say okay fine or in Nigeria need but also be schools, hospitals, hotels.
Yeah, fine. On be see
for Igbo communities no.
Right. Ghana Nigeria for her. Okay. This will be business and Nigeria for co school now. It's fine. Okay. But I say no what by take say or King no that one there.
Yeah, more can. So bet to me di Ghana mraso dia. On say obia pempuntu abane mem. Nti se wa ba. No so oba be bo ma na. Na so bet me di mraso a. Obedi mraso dia. Samanfo mpopo so omo pedodo onya tiasefo. Nti se oba no be di Ghana mra so a. Ene ba se Nigeria na Ghana ye nyina ye ba ko. Na on say wa amfa mra anya dwuma dia. Amanfo nso antwema no. Me na dwene.
That's na say amanfo bi so ka say because of assassin ne dan ne adade na oba besi no e de ama ibofuo no e kine bi ibofuo no besna baba say we na ye na na ye na na mo
na say na na ye say na de emra o ha e ma na kwa say wonye de a na say ne no o ye no say so abewale Ghana ni nti won so ya na sefo so ha nti ye ma na kwa ma na ye e be boa so odi mra so a na wo bana se wo no mra na e wo Ghana wo ni so de a na manfo nso ntwema nti mpanimfo ntrase empuntu odo obi eni hwa wompe se Ghana fo bebre wo America no ma o ma so akosisi ada bebre emra no America mra no di so de a obi anu ni asem nti fine empuntu odo obi eni hwa wompe to onye sika no so de beboa o ma na ma hospital ni ade aba wo ma no mo ma ne na mo o ma.
My suggestion is that if what he's doing here, I'm not against what he's doing here, okay? But if he's doing the same thing in Nigeria, I don't have any problem with that. You understand? Because I'm not the one to tell him what to do. He's a man. He knows what is the best for him to do. Do you understand? Yeah. If he's to develop Ghana here, I'm not against it. You understand? So, and my advice to him is, if he's doing the same thing in Ghana, let him also do the same thing in Nigeria. That's just it.
So you are in support of him?
Both Nigeria and in Ghana.
So what if, like you Nigerian, it won't be a year's back that you guys will come back and be saying this land belongs to you, like the lands are your properties because they belong to your ancestors?
Once he bought the land with his money, that means the land belongs to him. Yes, it's not that nobody will come to Ghana and claim land. Once you have your money, you can also buy any land anywhere. So many people maybe travel, they can buy any land anywhere because there's so many Nigerian men here. They have houses in Ghana here. So I'm not against it, you know, because me, even if I have money here, I can still build in Ghana here. Okay. Yes, I can still do that.
Okay. For me, it's not right. Okay. For him to be building something for a country that is not your country. Okay. For the other hand, I think why he behaves such is that he thinks that Ghana is a safe place for him. Okay. Because Ghana is you can do as you like, nobody can disturb you. Maybe me, for my own opinion, maybe I think that was the reason why he's doing that and nothing more else.
Do you know the reason why Ghanaians are seriously fighting for it is that maybe there will be a time, there will be a years that you Nigerian will come and fight that our ancestors build this hospital, build this. Okay. Are you not sure that you Nigerians will do that?
No, for particular Igbo cannot do that. They are different in Nigeria. Okay. Igbo man cannot do that. Igbo know what is right. Igbo know that this is not my country. Even in the Nigeria Igbo that I live in, Igbo did not have their way in Lagos, in other part of Nigeria except Igbo. Like even Nigeria, like if you come to Nigeria, they will tell Igbo man. When Igbo man stay in Lagos, they will tell you to go back to Igbo East. And when Igbo man stays in Hausa land like Kaduna, Abuja, they will tell you to go back. So we know our way. Okay. So Igbo man cannot think of coming to drag another person in future. No. Igbo man believe that when he makes the money, he'll go back to his father's land. That's what they believe.
Okay, so you guys, the Igbo man will never come and claim for land?
No, for Igbo man cannot do that. Okay. Igbo man precisely in Nigeria, Igbo man cannot do that.
Thank you for your...
Kami de ka, munse unsi Nigerian for no musu benye. Unsi de whole world, mom. The so mama unkwa number tana Ghana say no yes properties bebre na number dos wa be haji. Timi de ka enye. Me support.
You did say on baba be yes we me na dia we me.
Ombe.
Like on to better as wa ha enfanye sa we no. Na musu am kan we na ma e pa kunkun adoso Ghana ha no. Nti say me kan me kwa ka say mama no chance man nye de opese oye no.
Oye foreigner na nti ni kwan se.
Yes, money chance.
Baby so ka say ono na di ne ho ne sika. E na se bi Ghana penyini bi aton ama no e won kana ha ya.
Ni dey say Ghana penyini aton ama no but your friends say yeah culture na different. What I say. Nti say for ye yanka say bad ani ye nwa no mo save. Nti na ye pese like em pese on man no da head the be no. E say o mo hwe say bi a show for Ghana ha ni na Nigeria for those wo mu. What I say. Na hwe say bi a krono ni nyama ba 90% de ka Nigeria ni ka ho. Na so samba we na so Nigeria for samba na say the ye kro na say kro no. They say open for the money so na mo kan be fa ho.
But me da so
so that's
then you catch up. You be ka say me na be kana ha.
Me asema me nwane kan so me fa no so to the extent anata fa ngasa no almost say ye man ni ye nwane mo mani mu. Te ka me nko a anko mo stop no. Because omo be more ase jama bibiri e ma o man no akọ bibi o man kwa isi anu yehu ye ho ano na lata fusa ma be gu account na ka me kwa ase na me nwane ka no eno so e beta mpeni phone for mo na nsi wo
me da se so ne
okay you
chirije da se kara me like minimal okay. So we nim the enti ono so mpelifo na ate na ase so nti mpelifo no mo hwe na de omo ne be no mo fa ne nye say ade papa na be bo ade a why not ye ne nipa ba ko ti so in Nigeria ni o Ghana ni ye ne nipa ba ko okay de me waka o
one say de Ghana for we be ka say one he chine bi na o ma ba we ye me papa japade we me na japade uhu say e bitime
say o Ghana constitution mu say foreigner auto asase o Ghana from 50 years later nya odia and from 50 years obi enu betima ka say ne de biom te no ano no mo no monye hospitals and schools de hunya cause yanka say mu senko an de ba ye ne mu senko an yeso yo nti on be ye bi aka ho de ye
Nigerians for nkwa de enye at least on fa Ghanaians nka ho cause ma betu ye na so ye ba ako ye Africans nti
nti say obesi na say at least obey involve Ghana for aba hospital ho or ma ba hotel ho dia Ghana for so kopa say be ya ban empam no emfa ni free ha say emfa nko adikunti a wo mo yesa ne say wo hwa na echi na bi Nigeria for aba say we me na see here we no ofa dia na omo ne ye be ko asase de so pa
oh me hu ne say eye onye mpuntu so unye no bi be ya it doesn't matter but my problem is onye no fa Ghanaians nka
okay yeah that's
oh to me no say eya de pa de na nka obesi no by sanke Ghana for involved they are fine by say Nigeria for nko an de say dey na obeje e property na Nigeria for nko an eni mo de ne nya adwe wo ho no wasan ba be wari Ghana ni nti ade nti na wo Ghana ni obani de we the country there ye now the whole country nko and the ne nya adwe wo ho
okay na Ghana for so support say be ya ka ye deport and go back to Nigeria
and me ne omo ya adwen ye ma ne nko ai wa ba fa ya kuro mu ni na o ya ade a send ye mienu nyina because hafa wo nkwala na so me ya Ghana fa Nigeria fa don't me nka se Nigeria for nko anje so obesisi yen mo ma ne nko ni kurom
Mamika, indeed Thomas. Enye.
Okay.
I want to before be assassin. A fire the oba business. Enye school near Ibiano Baba see oba business or ha. Yeah, Ghana for the end to me pennies idea no. Me nyen Ukrainian come me Ukrainian come saseno kapu ye you be Japanese sem. Wow, sad the way and see ye been see what had say car or ye bibima Africa, the whole Africa part there, okay. But spark na we Nigeria now won't you know we pay now Nigeria for the enquire there. Okay, mean part meaning Nigerian crack.
Be muso ka say one say oh see schools hospital near there at least be boy country.
Or budget say on Franco Nigeria preko. So budget say on Franco Nigeria preko Nigeria so be or money school or money hospital or on funny budget ko ni chrome na ko ni chrome.
Esa hana wo ye na ne die
aha one ne die ye ntumi pene nani ochina aha opea also opese bibia international dia you are aware but the nya sa dia ye pene da
me da
yo me so me da
ye pe fo na di ese mama fa ye ko ye ni ma
okay we dia answer ma mo be you bet
so make be say near me brand can no I me so the madua for say near me brand can dey me ni asem bia ka say me so bitim the madua for say dey waka na no kure
the person that won't see us here and see us Emma my own sister school na name hospital na so want na Ghana
oh say ka say can say dia is Ghana for bebre so Nigeria almost so here juma nya dan te say ka say can say dia me dey to me ni dey aka me hu say keye ba me dey ka hu say ka because say education ni mo a man kola no so no ni e bia wo tifia ono so enya juma na wo nya school bi nko ono so betimi akọ ama enwuma so a we be say obi we subscribe juma obesu akra na e di ma no timi hu say juma so wo kurum so a me so say bi say betimi abo aye na timi ne de ma dwen de ene to me de anka oba ji say nyina no eye
me da me fo aso mu
on fo aso say on si school
da no say mu kurum say asaso san wo ho ye na de nchina mbaba no kwan say on si na you have fa just Igbo fo nkwa na be call da bi aka me kwa da me fo aso
say ka wo ti na Ghana fo bi e betima akọ wo bi ni ade
no kra me fo aso ye wo school so ha ye so mpenu fo mitime si school so ha te mpenu fo no fo na nsi fo
esi o fa say ye reporting na onko
no kurom asaso san wo ho ye onko no kurom me das
ade na me say hu hia wo ahemfo wa ha o mai na oba mu ne say nipa ni mu o mai ahemfo mu ni mu a obeka say me create kingdom na say wo see sa ade ne kim so obesi sa ade ne kim abaya kingdom you have created a whole nation for the Igbo people. So I'm not saying if it's invaluable for them to do that particular investment in Ghana.
It's not good for them
to do it. Okay.
Okay, so you are in support, say, and deporting and
over to me, Ghana as a peaceful nation, but you're not supposed to create any kinship or either any other thing. You should stay. A lot of different nationalities are in Ghana. They live in peaceful, but it's not right for him to be as a kingdom. So it's not right.
Bible mono na wiase ne yedodo say. Bible na wiase yedodo say.
Bible na wiase yedodo say. Obetima aboa.
Oh, da bi na yedodo say.
Really dey say we conference of maami o.
Ne me mfo aso say nti asa.
O mfo aso say.
Na wi.
Wari.
Mr. Mankwa, me office wo say ni sika bane ade awie ni project no. Eso de bia me office ka ma ne wo problem.
Enemre mu. Na monte tap sending kan.
No so ne de
Tap send here easy, fast and secured way. Ubetimi send this free amanone. Aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account. Untia transfer fee via.
Sir, I obey any say.
Chine say won't call App Store na Play Store. On download the tap send app no. Or download dia. Ebebu sanso promo code. Oma the pet TV shim. Obenya €5, £5, and answer $10 on his first transfer.
And you make kwa friend a catch them.
Tabi minyanwe. Esansa tap send at the good news aba. Tap send the gina customers won't or the tap send wallet aba.
I know about any say.
So your customer who you kesisia. Ubetimi akọ tap send app no no create wallet also. Enti se rate ne kosora now the sika ko gu wallet no. Anase mpo betimi atu susu nkakra enti abre sema opeso send sika ba Ghana no anse wa send sika na ba Ghana anase oba o my Ghana mu watimi use sika e wo wallet no tie
and you said to say you use momo Ghana hayiru
sa pepepe se si tap send that trena shim kopiem wo United Arab Emirates Netherlands and Austria tap send na papa no